Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Sidhi smomstudio.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will do general knowledge in this video. Let's get started. Who invented Coca-Cola? Answer is Johann Stith. Who invented computer? Answer is Charles Babbage. The longest river of Europe is? The answer is Volga. Who is the first lady Prime Minister in India? Answer is Indira Gandhi. Who is the father of nation? Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Which animal blood is blue in color? Answer is snail. What is IAS full from? Answer is Indian Administrative Service. Subscribe for part 2. Bye. Do it, like, share and subscribe. Bye. Thank you.